now is the time to do it before 2026 starts. I want to get these things done, and I finally am a little free so I can do it. SQL is going to be my primary focus. I want to proceed with it as soon as possible because I have the SQL implementation project idea in head and it is super. So I do not want to waste time. I do not want to get scared because honestly that is what is happening right now. Even though I know SQL, I have to revise and then I have to keep that in mind. I don't want to forget it anymore. So for those things, even if I go through the notes that I had prepared, I still feel quite underconfident for whatever reason, which is so not me. But yeah, SQL for sure. I want to do at least minimum one chapter, maximum complete ही कर लो.
It is Monday. Today is the 10th of November, and we have been doing quite well. I have completed joints. I am taking help of ChatGPT, doing jitne bhi questions it can throw at me. I'm doing all of those on a daily basis to stay in touch and to test कि मुझे कितना समझा है. ChatGPT really asks some good questions, तो उससे मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें सीख भी रही हूँ. Initially, that is the problem that I was facing, that I was not that confident. I was losing my confidence midway. I was feeling as if क्या है यार ये सारी चीज़ें which I used to do previously. Now I'm making simple syntax mistakes and stuff like that, but I'm getting better for sure. I have made a video series on what all things I've learned every day, so you can go ahead and check it out. But yes, things have been going good. I am going to go again and do my day 2 of SQL, and uske pehle I'm going to complete homework. So she has given 3 to 4 questions that I have to complete, and then I'll be doing day 2. SQL ke liye around 1.5 hour goes easily. So yes, that is that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and if you want a refresher of good SQL questions, ये सारे questions college में मैंने नहीं किए थे, so you guys can check those videos out. Bye. Hi, just returned from work. I didn't get time to complete my homework or even work on anything yesterday, so we are again stuck to only day 1. But yeah, been doing quite well. This was the main reason why I wanted to record the entire journey, right? I feel a little confident with the basic and sub queries also. Sub queries I get a little confused here and there, but all in all I'm doing really good. I had this LinkedIn course that I was going through, LinkedIn Learning, and I'm done with it. I'm quite confident. They didn't do union and all of those things at all. They didn't focus much on aggregate functions either, but yeah, ChatGPT thing is going to be doing that. I will try to have a link to the entire chat. I'm not really sure if I would want to do that, but yeah, I'll get a crux of whatever has happened. But I'm gonna sit down and start again, and I just realized how scary it must be for someone who has taken, say, like a career gap or something, and then trying to get into working again and interviewing again. It's scary to think that 1 year ago I had a good command over SQL, and now I'm forgetting things and basic. Maybe I make mistakes sometimes, but yeah. So it's going good. I'm documenting everything जो भी मैंने सीखा है. Everything is out there also for you to learn with me, so that is great. But let's continue.
So I'm back again. I think I skipped yesterday because of work and other things that were going on. But I am getting a little more confident, a little more fast, which is good. And yeah, but it's surprising because there were a few things which we never really learned, jo apparently is quite important. So there's something called window functions, which I had never heard of. So your SQL tutorials on YouTube have not covered it, at least जो मैंने देखे थे वो. But yeah, it's good. So I am very well with select where. Select of course, but still select where and having and group by also. मैं अभी भी सब queries पे ही हूँ, which is taking a lot more time, but we are getting better, we are getting there. So yeah, that's good. It takes time, it takes consistency also, and I have a 15-day plan, but क्योंकि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो बीच बीच में मुझे नहीं पता होती. I don't want to half-ass things and be like, okay, I'm done with this for now, so it's okay, we will do आगे का बाद में, we will come to this back again. I'm not trying to do that, which is also making my entire process go slow a little. But what I'm doing is I am actually um अभी सपोज करो कि एक पार्ट मुझे नहीं जम रहा है बिल्कुल सब क्वेरीज इट्स टेकिंग अ लॉट मोर टाइम देन आई हैड एक्सपेक्टेड सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज आई do the same thing the next day so only सब queries पे फोकस कर रही हूँ next day so which means that वो जो 15 day वाला है वो थोड़ा बहुत मूव हो रहा है but going strong SQL I want to finish it completely I want to be I I want to be at that level कि मुझे अगर randomly किसी ने बोला कि सिखाओ तो मैं चालू हो जाऊंगी सिखाने का so yeah that's that and I hope you guys are loving the videos whatever's being thrown your way. I am going to be doing a weekly this thing a weekly progress update.